Get ready with me with a quick Valentine's Day look with Chica Beauty and Kat Franklin makeup. Let's do this. We're going to start off with our tinted moisturizer. I like to use a small amount and kind of just build up as I need. Rub that into my fingertips and apply onto the face. This is the holy grail of makeup products for Chica Beauty. It comes with SPF 30, which I'm already sold on. Once I have that applied onto my face, I like to go in with our powder blushes. And today I'm going to use Lotus. I feel like Lotus is such a great combination of pink and a neutral shade that just kind of complements everybody's skin tone. I'm going to press that into my cheekbones, start at the apple of my cheek, and pull this up into the temple to give you an illusion of a lifted face. I'm all about the illusions. So press that into the skin. Now remember, Chica Beauty products are all buildable, so you can create your own intensity. Right now I'm really feeling a heavy blush moment. I think it's just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Once that's done, I like to go in with our brand new dual action concealers. Let's see. There it is. These are amazing. They're super easy to use. I like to use my fingertips, and I only need a small amount, just like that. Rub them into your ring fingers, just like that, and apply in the center and on the outsides. I do like to use them in my smile lines, my chin, Cupid's bow, and center of my forehead. You can use your fingers just to blend that in, or if you'd like, you can go in with your concealer brush and just kind of press that into the skin, make sure everything's nice and blended. Now, I know you're probably wondering why in the world I put blush on first before concealer. First off, I'm crazy like that, but I kind of like the way that I can adjust it into like a soft blend into the cheeks. I am just kind of weird like that. But anyways, look how pretty that looks. It's just really brightening up the skin. Really easy to blend. Like I said, if you don't want to use a brush, use your fingertip. Chica Beauty cosmetics, they are designed for the girl on the go. And sometimes I don't have the luxury of having all my brushes in front of me, so my hands are my tools, which is kind of weird, but pretty old school. So once I've been completed with the concealer, I'll go in with our gel liner in Noir. These are awesome. They're really easy to blend. And I'm going to go right at the lash line and just kind of smudge that in. You don't have to be perfect because I'm going to go back in with an eyeliner brush anyway, just to kind of soften it up. But if you just put that onto the lash line and go back in with that brush, just to kind of smooth it out, it makes it really easy to do. You can even wing it. Look at that there. And then just pull it in. If you don't want to do a wing, you can just stop right where you need it to. All right, let's do the other eye. So again, right at the lash line. Again, it does not have to be perfect. We are just trying to get out the door. And again, I'm going to go back in with the brush. And I'm just smudging it, pressing it into the lash line. Just like that. And there's our baby wing. So from here, cute. I absolutely, you already know me, XLXL mascara. I like to apply some first onto my lashes and then go back in with the eyelash curler. I'm going to show you a quick tip for the eyelash curler that I've been using since I was a teenager. They have like all these really cool gadgets now to help curl your lashes, but sometimes I find the old school way better. Remember that with the mascara, you can go as light or as heavy as you'd like. I like to do 2 to 3 coats for extra volume, extra drama. The brush is really nice. It's curved and it gives you so much volume. Just like that. I like to turn my brush in like this part right here when I'm doing the lower lash line. It just kind of, can you see how that angle goes? And it just kind of helps get those little baby hairs. And then you can turn it this way also. See how that curve is opposite? And it just kind of helps me get those little babies this way. And then when you bring it in this way, the curve, it kind of goes like the shape of your eye. And you literally just press and pull. You can wiggle and pull, just like that. So now let's go in with our curling. It's my favorite part. Here's our rose gold eyelash curler. And what I'll do, back in the day, I learned this from my mom. A little bit of warmth, just a little. Don't burn your eyelids off. And you go ahead and curl your lashes. It's almost like a heated curling iron for your eyelashes, but you do want to make sure that it's not hot. You don't want to burn yourself. You can use your fingertips. Look at that. Wow, I just like had 8 hours of sleep. If you don't have a lash comb, you can use a mascara wand, like a disposable, but the little comb kind of just helps to separate really nicely. I'm going to go in and curl the other eyelashes. Just make sure it's cooled down. Get right in there. Some people like to curl their lashes before they apply mascara. I like to do it after. I feel like the mascara helps hold them a little bit better. But whatever works for you. So go this way. Just to give some separation. Awesome. You can even do the bottom lashes. All right, I feel like I'm going to go back in with some eyeliner anyway, and I'm just going to kind of tight line and just go right under the lash line and just go over with that gel liner. Again, I'm using Chica Beauty's Noir. You can lift my eyelid up, and then you can kind of just see. So it looks like I have like this really thick eyeliner when I actually don't, and it's only giving you the illusion of it. So it won't make my eyes so much small. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of our eyebrow pencil from our Brow Multitasker. And I'm just going to kind of sharpen the tails of my eyebrows. I always use hairline strokes. And I have a really, really light pressure applied. You don't need a lot. The pigment is awesome. Check that out. So again, not so much pressure. I'm just filling in with hairline strokes. Just like that. Now we got a nice framed face. If you have an eyebrow brush, brush those babies out. or you can use our brow gel. The brow gel is like really awesome because it helps keep the brows in place. Cute. From here, I am going to use our brand new lip liners. The shade I'm going to use is Raspberry. So this shade Raspberry is very complementary to our Passion lipstick, but I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to use the Raspberry lip liner that is included into the Love Amor set, and you can get your lip liner with your lipstick. But like I said, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to use the Raspberry lip liner, but I'm going to use it with Flirt. I hardly ever use Flirt. I'm more of a bold kind of lip color girl, but I'm going to use that lip liner to give me that boldness that I'm looking for. Also, another thing before I apply this, I want you to check out this pigment. It is so smooth to apply. There's no tugging or pulling on my lips, but the pigment is there. Check this out. I mean, look at that. Here we go again. I mean, look at that payoff. It's just gorgeous. I mean, it is just amazing. So I lined the outline of my lips. I do like to fill in the inner corners. This helps make the lipstick last a little longer. And also, if it wears down, it's almost like a stain at the end. So it'll stain the lips. Just like that. Then I'm going to go in with Flirt. I love this applicator. Ooh, it's so buttery. The scent of the lip gloss is really soft and subtle. Look at that. If you prefer, which I do, I like to go back in with a lip liner and just kind of fine tune it. Go over it again. Just to make sure everything is precise. Just like that. Ooh, that's really pretty. If you prefer a gloss lip, girlfriend, let's put some Gloss Boss on top. We need those juicy lips. Gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, Chica Beauties. There you have it. Literally took me about 10 minutes to do. What do you think? Oh, we need earrings. Let's put these babies on. It is Valentine's Day, right? Well, not yet. We're prepared. Check this out. I am ready. Let's get this party started. Happy Valentine's Day, girls. I hope that you enjoyed this really fast makeup look and enjoy your Valentine's Day. Amor y besos.